Hi friends, welcome to Rianza Bakes. Today it's an instant pita bread recipe. This is such an easy recipe which can be made without using yeast, without any proofing time or resting time. So to make this, here I have taken 250 grams of flour, which is a mix of whole wheat flour and all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it well. And into this we'll add 100 ml of curd, and here I have taken 100 ml of water, which we'll use as required to make a soft dough. Mix it into the flour. Now we'll knead it using our hands. Use water as required to make a smooth dough. I have used about 120 ml of water. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee and we'll mix it into the dough. Now our dough is ready. We need not keep it for resting. Divide it into 6 equal portions. And we'll make tight balls of each portion. Now we'll roll out each ball into rounds of this size. Kept a skillet on the stove, and now we'll start cooking our pita breads. First cook it on one side for 30 seconds at low flame, and when we see bubbles coming up like this, we'll turn it to the other side, and now increase the flame and cook for 30 seconds. After that, keep turning the pita breads and cook it till it swells up like this. So the trick to make a perfect pita bread is start cooking at the lowest flame on one side, and after you turn it, increase the flame and keep turning it till the pita bread swells up like this, and our easy pita bread is ready. Here I have taken 1 tablespoon of garlic butter and about 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves chopped and some red chili flakes. Heat it in the microwave and we'll apply it on the pita breads. It's such an easy recipe which can be made when we don't have much time. So as there is no yeast involved and no proofing or resting time, so it is very easy to prepare this. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like button and leave your valuable suggestions and comments in the comment box. Thank you so much. Bye.